So, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga pumpkins. We're here sa daan, nandito sa, ano nga to my love, CCPia. We are on our way to Sofitel kasi ang ating Juno ay malapit nang bumalik sa London and gusto niya makipag-bonding sa amin. And lalo na kay sister niya, kay Baby Nicole natin. Baby Nicole pa ba? Well, anyway, yun nga. Nag-request din siya na bago siya babalik ng London, makapag-spiral buffet din muna kami. And bibili na rin kami ng mga pampasalubong niya. Ang agenda for today is check-in and then settle muna sa room, and then we will go to Mall of Asia to buy yung mga pasalubong kasi complete na doon. May isang department to ng mga food at nandun na lahat ng mga mabibili, and then merienda, dinner, and hindi ko alam kung maisisingit pa namin. Anak, what do you want to watch the movie? What? Beetlejuice? Beetlejuice? Blue, ano? Whatever, hindi ako updated sa mga movies ngayon, mga pumpkins. So, syempre, andito na tayo sa Sofitel. And, syempre, mga pumpkins, our lipstick for today is this, the Christian Louboutin. And it's the color Bloom. And look at this, mga pumpkins. Let's try it.
Divina.
It's the color Bloom by Christian Louboutin. Thanks to Sister Sheer for getting me this, for giving this to me. Pasalubong from Hong Kong. Thank you, sis. So mga pumpkins, nandito na kami. So mag-check-in muna kami and sama ko kayo sa mga ganap namin na family. 4 lang kami, bonding talaga kami. See you mga pumpkins and love you! Here now, inside the lobby of Sofitel, and Tito Junsin, the kids, checking in. Spiral buffet. We'll eat there tomorrow. Aray! Aray ko.
Did you get that in the video?
Yeah. We're here on the 10th floor. Fully booked, 100% occupancy ang Sofitel because of FIBA. And kapapasok lang daw ni Carmelo, sayang daw. We're here. So mga pumpkins, we're here now in the room. So this is the banyo. It's Balmain. There you go, yes. Nicole, may bathtub tayo. We will buy we'll have bath bombs later. This is me. Hello mga pumpkins. Shower area. So this is may bathroom tayo. And that's our bed. This is our bed. Dito Junsin sa amin. And sa kabilang room may mga kids. And this is the view. There you go. Oh, grabe oh. Ang dami nang nagawa. There, oh. Yan na yung development. So, this is our room. This is our coffee corner. And let's see. Complete. Then, this is the fridge. Walang laman, actually. So, there. So, we'll have coffee. Can we go to the, lounge? Let's have coffee. So, we're going to have merienda here in the club lounge. So, we're having merienda now. Say hi, my love. Hi, my love. So that's the view. We're here in the business lounge. Yeah. It's kind of busy and gutom na kami. Kaka-check-in lang namin pero we had merienda. Pero yung mga kids nagpapahinga sa room nila. Pero kami gutom na, kaka-check-in lang namin. So ito, food namin. And, oh yeah, thank you. And I ordered for mango juice and coffee. So, kain muna kami mga pangkin sa gutom ng mama at lola nyo, ang tita nyo. So, mga pangkins, busog na si Tito Marie at si Tito Junsil. So, ngayon, after here, yung mga bata nakapag-merienda na rin. So, punta na kami ng MOA to buy pasalubong for Juno's friends and some family relatives. And mamaya, pagka may mga medyo interesting yung mga mabibili namin pasalubong, mag-mini haul ako sa room mamaya. So, yun muna mga pangkin. See ya! We're going to have wine here later when it's night time. Kuya Juno, can you also get me water? Water?
There you go, please.
Hi, Kuya! We're here in Pasalubong in Ayala Mall. So, there. Buying mga kailangang iuwi ni Juno. There. Quezon. Iloilo. Laguna. Tagaytay. Bongga. Okay pala dito mga pumpkins, oh. Kompleto sila. Baguio. Ilocos. Nice. Dried mangoes. Juno found this, oh. Parating niya itong baon. So, he's getting, oh. He got excited. What do you want, Nicole? Do you want something?
Fish crackers.
Fish crackers. I saw. There are fish crackers. I think they also have there, anak. The salted one. Okay. I'm so glad they like it also. Mga pumpkins. My favorite, Turones de Casoy. I'll get this for myself. You want to give this all back?
Allergic.
Oh yeah, allergic si Tia. But I'll try this. This is my favorite. Nakisama sa Tita Noreen. And what else? This one, you want? No. Parang ano siya? Ano nga mga pumpkins yung oats? No, not the oats. The Rice Krispies. And then coated with milk and chocolate. Okay? This is for the love of life. Okay, let's check some more sa mga pumpkins. First time ko nakita, pasensya na kayo kung alam nyo na to. Nakakan. So, we'll get this also.
Oh?
Yeah, we'll get this. Sabi ni Juno ko, we'll get this. Alam mo na naman, sweet tooth. For me. For me. We're going to Pandora to check for Juno's pasalubong to Pia. This is the cute charm. Only the Philippines, the jeepney. This is the Barong at Saya. Cute. There you go. Pasalubong of Juno for his girlfriend. That's Juno. He's not looking. Caught you, anak. Caught you. Pasalubong shopping. Mission accomplished. Right, Kuya? Ito, mission accomplished. Nakapag pasalubong shopping na kami here in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Waiting for our sundo. Look at the fireworks in MOA, mga pumpkins. That's every night, I think. We're here in our room, here in Sofitel. Say hi! Say hi, Juno! There. Opie, hi! Have you seen the fireworks? Say hi. This is a vlog. You show me. There. Okay, we're having dinner now. See you mga pumpkins. Sangria night with our unika iha, Angela Nicole. Cheers, anak. Grabe, anak. Ang sarap. Grabe. This is the best sangria I've ever tasted. And we're here in Sofitel, the business lounge. The best sangria. Promise, mga pumpkins. Sobrang sarap ng sangria nila. So, hello mga pumpkins! We are here now inside the room. So mga pumpkins, nakikita nyo ba to? Ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Parang merong may aura or something. Ayan o. Pero anyway, magmi-mini haul ako, mga pumpkins. Mga idadali ni Juno for pagbalik niya ng London, for his studies. And, so, isa-isahin natin. Siyempre, staple to, no, mga pumpkins. Sa mga bumabiyahe, pabalik, isda, banana chips. Organic daw yan, ano? This has two, sizes. So, yung malaki na yung kinuha ni Juno. And then, this one naman, maliliit lang na pampasalubong size na mga peanut brittle. Meron din naman si Juno kinuha for him, yung Romana. This is sa Mangaldan na to, no? I think Mangaldan, Pangasinan to. This one. And favorite din namin yan kasi medyo buttery yung yung taste niyan, no? And this one is, Choco Flakes. And this is Benguet from Baguio. This one, mga pumpkins. Corn flakes na covered in white chocolate and dark chocolate. From Davao, Tablea. Yummy! This is 100% pure chocolate. So, malamig sa London. So, very, very, tawag dito? Very, very, yung may sakit. Sorry mga pumpkins. Very, very, very appropriate ito sa cold weather sa London. Takpan na natin itong mga mga flare na yan or something. Yan. Sarap nito bilang malamig ang weather sa London. And then, isa pa sa mga favorite namin, Turones de Casoy. Yummy. Ito yung diba? Yung apa, yung natutunaw sa bibig mo. Yan, mga mini haul natin yan. This one, pastillas de leche. Isa sa mga favorites din natin. Sarap yan. This is from, saan kaya gawa ito? This is from Pampanga. Pastillas de leche. Yan. And we have the peanut roll. Si Juno ang nito eh. Nagpili. I think ang sarap din ito, no? This is from Binyan, Laguna. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang classic polvoron. Yummy! Ang wala lang dito, hindi pa namin nabibili is yung chocnut. Siyempre, ang chocomalos, diba? Mga kabataan natin, maalala natin. So, ang sarap nito. And hindi rin mawawala ang, siyempre, ang very famous, what Philippines is known for, our mangoes, our ripe mangoes. So, dried mangoes, hindi mawawala. Girly Tops! Parang ako lang yata nag-i-enjoy sa mga kinuha ko. Pero sabi ko kay Juno, bata pa lang kami, meron na nito. Wow! And ito, si Juno, napaka-sweet. Papatry daw niya to kay GF niya. Yay! This one is the tamarind salt. Yeah. Papatry daw niya ito sa girlfriend niya, Sampalok. She hasn't tried this yet. Oh. And si Tita Bing naman, may pinapabili sa Watson's pa. Specifically sa Watson's daw, dapat kukunin. Dahil doon lang daw niya nakuha, doon lang daw niya nabili. At ito lang daw ang gumagana sa, naging effective sa face niya, biruin nyo ha. This is that one, mga pumpkins. This is, sunscreen and SPF 50 and mga pumpkins, pakibasa nyo na lang ha. Ang labo ng mata ko eh. So, ayun, this one. So, ang kulang lang dito is we plan. Meron na sa bahay, naka-order na kami ng favorite ni Juno na Pure Foods na corned beef. Hindi mawawala yan every time. Kung uuwi siya, babalik siya, At ako naman, or sino sa amin, ang pupunta sa kanya, parating may corned beef yan. Hindi pwede mawala. And ang isa pa yung chocolate. So, yun lang ang mga kulang pa and the rest. So, ito mga pumpkins, ito lang muna ang nakuha namin sa pasalubong. Nandun lahat. As in, ang ganda. Doon pala magandang bumili. So, update ko na lang kayo pagka kami ay mag-empake na for Juno. So, this is it muna mga pumpkins. And I hope you enjoy this video. And I'll see you again tomorrow for our family bonding before Juno heads back to London. So, see you mga pumpkins! Love you! Now, let's go here. Inside their cheese room. Do you have manchego?
Yes, for lunch and dinner.
Oh, ano ba yan? Sige. I'll have na lang...
How about the blue cheese po?
Ah, sige. I'll have blue cheese also. Pang lunch lang yung ano, no?
Right, good snack.
Manchego. No, it's okay. I'll get it na lang. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast po.
Yes, thank you. Ang ano, no? Prosciutto wala rin.
Yes.
For lunch. Oh, sige. Okay, thank you. Mga pumpkins, let's go get some croissant. Tita Norin's favorite croissant. Look at this, oh. Their cheese empanada and saimada. Yum. Thank you. Look at their butter, so mga pumpkins. Salted butter. Unsalted. Look at those. High blood ang abutin natin dito mga pumpkins. Sa dami. Ang lalaki. Oh, we have taho. Yeah. Hi, say hi. How many taho? 4? Okay. Bakit may flavor ba? May strawberry flavor. Oh, they have strawberry. Ako, I'll try the mango. Thank you.
Mango flavor po.
Mango. Thank you, kuya. So, mga pumpkins, we're checking out now. Dito kami sa lounge with the kids. Yeah. Andun si Tito Junsen. Nag-check out na kami. And then magpapa-haircut si Kuya Juno sa Heroes Barbers sa Festival Mall branch. Sasabay na rin ni Tito Junsen at sasabay ko na rin yung franchise visit sa Nailandia and Heroes Barbers. So mga pumpkins, yun lang update. We had breakfast kanina and now to check out na kami. And see you later. So mga pumpkins, here we are sa house from our bonding with Juno, Nicole, and Tito Junsen. And nandito na nga tayo sa bahay. And syempre, pag birthday ni Jerry, syempre may cake din like si PJ. So it's Jerry's birthday kamakailan. And syempre may pa-cake din tayo kay Jerry, ano? The #1 pinakamagaling na video editor sa buong mundo, if not the world, the universe. O, lahat na. So, Jerry, this cake is for you. And I'd like to sing happy birthday to Jerry. Happy birthday to you. So, I hope all your wishes will come true, Jerry. We love you. Oh, diba? Hello mga pumpkins. So, right now, we are packing for Kuya Juno's mga pasalubong and gamit for London. And sorry mga pumpkins, hindi na ako nakapag-outro last time na nagbanding kami sa Sofitel kasi sobrang pagod na kami, nakauwi na kami, and hindi na ako nakapag-outro. So, right now, ang ginagawa namin, nagpapack na kami, and tingnan nyo naman yung dadaling corned beef ni Kuya Juno. No? Sobrang favorite na talaga yan. Sa kanya lang yan. So, alam niyo naman si Ate Aline bilang napakagaling na packer. Say hi, Aline. Napakagaling na packer ni Ate Aline. So, eto, tinutulungan na tayo na mag-empake for Kuya Juno kasi flight na niya sa Saturday. In 2 days flight na niya. So, mga pumpkins, this is it for now. I hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell to get notified. And mga pumpkins, always be a ray of sunshine to everyone. See you mga pumpkins! Love you!